So plan for the day is to get the SIMs for both of us. I did buy a SIM for Yasha yesterday, but recently there was a rule that was passed in Vietnam wherein all the deregistered numbers have been deactivated. So you need to go to the office of the service provider and get your number registered using your passport. So the plan is to buy one SIM for me and get both the SIMs activated in the office of the service provider. And we plan to use the bikes. So that is Kenny's bike, and this one belongs to Hannah. And Yasha and I will be going by bikes, so I'll get the bikes fixed first, and then it'll be good fun. Wear my shoes first. Xin chào. À. Two. 2,000 dong. 1,000 and 2,000. Come on. Philippine? Oh, Indian. Yeah, I look Philippine, huh? Wow, that's a new one. Come on. Filipino signing off. Yeah. Yes, are you sure you can ride a bike?
I don't know.
Huh? What do you mean I don't know?
Bike so easy. I've never ridden in a while. Can we just practice here first?
Sure. Practice. You can do that? Can you drive on the main road? Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Wait, you have to move slowly.
Yeah. तभी मैंने तेरे को बोला था. That's the main reason why I wanted only one bike for both of us. Because now I need to just keep looking at you all the time. Or we can go from there only.
I don't like turning that.
Why don't you like turning? Not bad. On the right side. Huh?
Why don't you go get the everything done?
Yeah.
And I'll go to the mall. I'll leave the bike.
Where will you leave it?
Go back to Hana.
Can do.
Yeah?
Can do. So you take the bike back, you take it back, and you want your gray sweater?
No, I'll meet you in the mall.
Yeah.
But how will you find me because you have my phone?
So let's fix a time. What's the? It's
3:54 and I also don't have any money.
Yeah, so take money. So wait, you have a purse or something?
No, I put it on my zip. I'll just roam the mall.
It's 400,000. Okay. So I'll see you in the mall. I'll see you outside Highlands in another 1 hour max. Okay, 3:54, so 4:44. I'll see you at Highlands. Cool. Chalo. Bye. Good idea. Man, I hate riding a bicycle after it rains, especially when there's no fucking mud guard. Wow. The freaking pedal came off. How can the pedal come off like that? Should I risk it? Great things happen to great people. Yasha! 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 The pedal came off. Pedal. I'll go get it fixed. You carry on. Great, and now it started raining. Came off while I was riding the bike. And we're good to go. Ow.
15 minutes later.
Retail. Woo. Xin chào. Made it. Xin chào. I actually have, I bought a SIM, a retail SIM yesterday. I want to get it activated. I bought a SIM yesterday, a SIM, I just want to get it activated. I have a SIM, there's a SIM, I bought it yesterday. I want to start the phone services.
Service you write number phone. Your number phone.
Okay, wait. The most effed up experience of my life in Vietnam. I've been trying to get this SIM activated, but these people just don't understand what I'm trying to tell them. They don't even want to understand. It's been more than an hour. You know, I actually take a lot of pride in always staying calm and never losing my cool. I never get irritated. Usually I don't. But today these Vitel people have really tested my patience. I've been here for more than 2 hours now. And these guys have still not been able to give me a solution. I'll talk about it later. Finally out, and I'm pissed like anything. And I would actually love to just tell you about whatever happened, but the thing is that I was supposed to meet Yasha about an hour and a half back, and knowing her, I know that she's going to be really worried. So I'll go run to her and I'll probably explain whatever happened later. How come you're so relaxed?
You?
I was thinking that you'll be like totally pissed and worried and pissed.
I left you a note
On my?
I left it at Highlands Coffee. I thought
Okay,
you would
so
run late
now I'll
anyways.
explain. And you explain what happened. Yeah?
So I wrote in that note
Yeah.
that I'm going to start panicking only after it reaches 7:45.
Ah, good. So I'll tell you what happened. So we had a SIM. There was a SIM that I purchased yesterday. Okay, so let's call it SIM A. And that SIM A had a serial number 1. Okay, SIM A had a serial number 1, and we wanted to get it activated. Plus, I wanted to buy another SIM. Let's say SIM B with a serial number 2. So I went there, I gave her the previous SIM, and I told her I want to get it activated. Plus, I told her I want to buy a new SIM as well. Now, what she did was, she took the number of the previous SIM and she put it on the serial number of a new SIM. Got it? So now, I have the previous number, but it's on a new SIM. And when I told her, what about the other SIM? She said, it won't work because it's not there in the system. So it took me almost an hour and a half to understand the goof of the cheese. Okay, but that's not it. They put it on me. They said that you did not explain as well. I told them very clearly, this is a SIM, I want to get it activated and I want to buy a new SIM. Fine. So a lot of discussion, I had to speak to the manager. Actually, they said, you'll have to buy a new SIM. I said, I will not buy a SIM because I've already purchased a SIM yesterday and it's not my fault, it's your fault. You guys made a goofer. I will not buy a new SIM. Finally, kuch karke, they agreed to give me a SIM. They gave me a SIM. Now, but you know, obviously they won't let me go so easily. So in the new SIM that I had purchased from them, they gave me a 3G offer, $50,000 for 1.5 GB. In the other SIM that they finally agreed to give me, they said I'll need to pay 120,000 for 1.2 GB. I said why? I'll pay 50,000 for 1.5. So they said that offer is not valid anymore. See what? Just 1 hour back, you gave me 1.5 GB for 50,000 dong. Now you're asking me for 120,000 dong for 1.2 GB. It's not making sense. They said no. And they would think things like, okay, fine, you go back to the convenience store and buy it from there. I said, what do you mean go back? I've already purchased a SIM. I cannot buy another SIM. I will not be. It's not a question of 10-20,000 dongs. I will not buy a new SIM when I've already purchased. It was taking too long. I was like, fuck it. Just give me the SIM and I'll go. So net, I have one SIM. Has calling as well as 3G. I'll keep the other SIM which has zero balance, but it's taking incoming. So incoming is activated. Fine. That's it. That's the reason why I was so irritated. I don't have internet right now because they were not telling me the offers. So I'll get it done from a different place. But you keep the other. So
There's this weird looking mannequin right here. Just look at it.
look at this guy.
Come on man, you can do it. Show us your moves. बंद कर दिया मैंने अंदर से लगता है.
Hey, why is he not moving?
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I got startled by that.
What is it?
So creepy.
Creepy. You like riding a bike?
Oh, I love it.
What do you think of the mall?
See, the thing is, we come from Gurgaon, which is like the city of malls in India. And there the malls are a lot larger in size, whereas these malls, at least the one that we saw in Vietnam, they're more like shopping complexes. I mean, they're malls, but they're not really as big as the ones that we've seen back in India. However, the Aeon Mall in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, that was like a real India kind of a mall, which is very big, a lot of floors. So, those are the kind of malls which I like. I mean, these are like.
It's like Mata Ji ki chadhai.
Huh?
This is like Vaishno Devi ki chadhai we are doing right now. Chalo bulawa aaya.
है ना ने भूला है
Stop.